So I just received my AlkiVision camera. I just installed it. And this is what it looks like on my app on my iPad. It's working absolutely great. I absolutely love these because you can go in there and you can hear anything that's going on outside. There's an option that you can use to talk to somebody that's outside when you're inside. Just hold down the button and you can see there it's talking to nobody outside, but it works great for when you have people outside and you want to talk to them and you're inside. Also, I absolutely love this option. There's a button where you can make a sound. And as you can probably kind of hear, it's playing outside, but it works great. The camera is super clear. Absolutely love these cameras. I highly recommend this one, the AlkiVision one. Yeah.
Hi, this is unboxing AlkiVision 100% wire-free camera. You could see the features that are supported. It's a wire-free HD camera, rechargeable. It could detect motion, night vision, audio, two-way audio communication, SD card, waterproof, and PIR. I'm not sure what this PIR is. And you could see his instructions. So if you're on Android phone, you have to download the Android app. If you're iOS, download the iOS app to configure it. Basically some instructions here again. So this is a video. Let's see, how do we unbox this? Yeah, this is unboxed AlkiVision camera. Here, USB cable, setup instructions, wall mounts. So this could rotate, you could rotate it all 24. Looks like to install the camera, it's very hard. Yeah, looks like we can rotate 360 degrees. The screen is yeah, this is a charging socket and SD cards, so you could insert SD card for recording it. This gets mounted onto this back. Yeah, I'll set up this and write a review for this one.
Encienda la cámara hasta que el indicador. Encienda la cámara hasta que el indicador parpadee lentamente en rojo.
I love this thing.
Great view, easy to use, and set up with night vision of the pond in the backyard of my house for security purposes. Very good product.